In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to change to dark mode or dark theme in Google Docs mobile app. Let's just get right into it. First, locate the Docs app and tap on it. Once you're on the start page, what you need to do is to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right. In this case, I'm going to tap on G. That's my own profile icon. On tapping on your profile icon, you will see something that looks like this interface. Tap on Dock Settings. You'll be taken to this page. You see default apps, you see theme, you see about. Tap on theme. Now, system default is selected, all right, by configuration through the initial configuration by the app developers, which makes everything to show in light mode. Our interest here is on dark mode, so tap on dark. And we are switched to dark theme, so I can go back by tapping on the back arrow. Then I can tap on X. All right, so let's see how this affects our document. So let me tap on one of the documents here. I'll tap on this one. You can see this is displaying at the dark mode. Okay, dark background, dark theme. The text is now white and the document is in dark color. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment if you have further question and ask me in the comment section here. And hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Watch this video here to learn more on Google Docs mobile application. Thank you and see you some other time.